There's lots of papaya, bulubinaka from the Gasaudrau Farm. It's raining tonight, but look at this beautiful papaya, ready for harvest. At the top of the village. Yeah. It's raining right now at the farm. It's a beautiful evening, even though it's raining. And we did had some rain bath today. And this is what we love to do, fill up the water. Sa sila ito na tabu na rokete na puro wai. Yeah, it's just so nice to listen to the raindrops. Mir na uda. I'm sure all our plants are happy. Tapioca and Yangona and Ndalo, Boca. So I love doing this. We used to do this when we were young. Let me know if this is something that you do or did when you were young back in the day, or you're still doing it now. It's just a good way to capture the rainwater. Yeah, so just wanted to share a little bit of what's happening here at the farm. I'm so glad we have the Naka Jim Jalai, Bulabinak everyone. Yes. Listening to the raindrops. It's really nice to do on a Friday evening. Bulataw Lanyana. So greeting you all from the farm. It's nice and dry here on the veranda. So we have the whole veranda. I'll try and light up some more part of the veranda here so you can see more light. Yeah. Lebuna langi, but it is beautiful. A lovely evening, listening to the raindrops here at the farm. Pula Elizabeth, Arneandra Suyasi, Pula Antibale. Iyo, kantol cukup kantol tawa wine. Yeah, it's so beautiful to watch the raindrops, yeah? Yeah, so they got some extra lights. Bulambul everyone. Yes. Got some extra lights over here. Bulambul everybody. And yes, these lights. Kenak valevo tau lani, yes. Yes. So there you go, just sharing some lights. A mini light show, which you didn't ask for. But just wanted to share how beautiful this evening is with all these beautiful lights. And so from the road, this is what you see as well. Different sunset lights. And thanking our nephew, Daniel. He was the one who helped put the lights together. So if any of you who are building their home right now in Fiji, let us know. We can connect you with Dan, who can put some of these lights together. Yes, I'm sure many of you from the western side of Fiji, those who have hotels, will see that many of these lights here is what you normally see in the resorts. Yeah. So there you go. That's another set of light. Dira sartau lani. It's our little paradise here in Namosi Hills. Yanasar, vinak makalevu taulani. Yeah, so just maybe tomorrow we'll be harvesting some papaya. So happy we kept some of these papaya trees, and akana village mandai sa so sarangan when village go. There's another one there, and nearly every part of the house go. We just planted the papaya tree. Go talengo. And then this is another one, this is my favorite papaya tree. Go. So when I arrived on Sunday, we had about 5 ripe papayas right below here. So we've eaten all of them for breakfast, and there's more. Yeah, as you can see, there's more papaya. That's something that is exciting living in the farm. And we've replanted mombele over there, so whenever we want to boil something and we needed some greens, the mombele is the go-to veggie. Nakabula Christine, yes. Yeah, just showing a little bit about the light, and hopefully you can enjoy some views from the farm. Enjoy. Iya, pinakausapamo ani. Thank you so much for listening. Iya, orang-orang pinakanato nilangi. Sa Kandabu dialect, eh? And sharing you the lights right now, which is our sunset lights. Yeah, I just love the sound of the rain. And all my tapioca plants are happy and smiling. Arangunuay, malek. Dalo, pati chumira, that's all the tapioca plants. Sounds like they're singing with happiness. Yeah. Sa ko ngayon, sa lom ten bikem ni kede, nakbali buna barong umay. Ngari ni binakten bali bikem ni. Meda buna nandang na kataraba. O nangay bakang bulital chikan and nasigan ni mataka. Yeah, binakbali Sara ni kalong atatiko. Lumademanda naka